Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Tuesday, November 19th. What do we see here in the Russell? A market that broke lower, a rest-type move, logical level, logical behavior. It implies a sideways move in a market waiting for a reason to react. Now, NVIDIA has its earnings coming out tomorrow, and it's more than just that company. It's a barometer of the perception of that sector, and that's what the market's going to be looking at, because I think the Fed may be looking at that too. And we did have some other fundamentals as we talked about in the advanced video. But here, be cautious on the short side. That's the bottom line there. But take a look at the British pound. It's a bias to the upside. And right now we're looking for a sideways to higher move in that market. When we look at the bond market, we've had rejection at higher prices twice. They've sold the rally. Look for a sideways move in that market. And when it comes to copper, it's slowing down. Buyers are trying to come in. Fundamentals are weak, but structurally, the bias is for a move to the upside. So be careful if you're on the short side with that market. And we take a look at what's going on with soybeans. There's still a lot of anticipation of what China's going to be doing in terms of purchasing our soybeans, the amount of yield that we're getting. The bias is for a move to the upside, but structurally, it implies a market that's struggling at these levels. So if you're long beans, be careful here. Well, those are my thoughts. I hope you found something helpful, and I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.